Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Phyllis. Today I'm going to show you how to cook chapatis in an African way. Here in Kenya we call them chapatis, and we usually cook them on Saturday because on Sunday we don't want to come and cook after we come back from church. That's why we love cooking chapatis on Saturdays. So I've already I'm drying them. Then after drying them, I do what I oil them. English is hard, but in this channel don't listen to my English. You just learn. Yeah, you do them like that. Get into the stage very fast so that we have nutrition. So Shabita, kindly for the process before we have the you have to make round chapati. Even sometimes the circle thing refuses to come. So what is it? Haina shida. Hebu toka hapo. Just get your lines very fast. Most of time also just get into lines very fast so that performance. The one introducing the song should be there in front doing the introduction so that we start. Hebu punguzeni hiyo volume ya nini nyinyi na huko. And unasikia? Once we introduce the song, the stage is going to introduce the song. This is how we do it. But I see in other countries they eat them like this. When they are like this, they don't use oil like us. But we love oil. We love oiling the chapatis so that they can be beautiful. I don't know, but since we found our mothers doing so, that's why we are doing it. This is the last one. Then I show you how we after oiling them, how I oil them. The last chapati always it's very small. I don't know why. Yeah, guys. I don't cook a lot because they end up remaining, and we don't like chapati that much. Only few in this house loves chapati. Not everybody. Now you can see with a small chapati the way you oil them, then you spin. You should spin, you must spin. If you don't spin, they won't be well cooked. And I'm watching it.
is like a small chapati. My mother taught me that I should spin chapati while cooking them, so that the heat can enter the chapati very well. Yeah. You see how brown it is? It's beautiful. You see? Cooked everywhere. In Africa, we believe that if you want to be I'm forgetting that phrase. The way into your man's heart is through
Cooking.
Thank you, exactly. It's through cooking. If you cook good food,
You will
then
win.
you will
win
your
his heart.
husband. And he won't remarry. You know, we fear
Second wife.
Yeah, we fear those men who love to marry second wives. Because when a man decides to marry another woman, my friend, your kids will suffer. So that is an African proverb. Of course, I know it does not apply in the US and in other countries, those developing countries, and I know it does not apply there, but in Africa it does a lot. Here in Africa, we eat chapati, we can eat it with tea for breakfast. You can have them for supper, for lunch. You cook some stew for it. You cook some stew. Yeah. But mine are for supper and for tomorrow. Sometimes I love carrying, even if it's 2 chapatis for my kids while going to church, because they might be hungry. You don't have to buy snacks and you cooked chapatis in your house yesterday. Just carry 2 or 3, give them. Then after church, you come and eat at home. Yes, guys. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please press that following button. Follow my channel, follow my YouTube channel, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment. I want to hear your comments, by the way, guys. I might be doing the wrong things, and maybe you have something you can share with me. I love to explore. I love knowing new things. You see, my chapatis are very beautiful. They are beautiful. By the way, I'm cooking pumpkin malenge. We call them malenge. Now my chapatis are ready. See them? They are wonderful. They are beautiful. They have a good color. Look at them. You love them. When you tear them and you see, they are well cooked. Well cooked. Yeah. This is the beauty. The beauty of chapati. The layers. The layers. Yeah. Thank you guys for your time, your patience. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and comment. Bye bye.